Hello everyone. This is the video that I was talking about where I'm going to show you how to add slides to your assignment. So I'm in Miss Paulson's class as a student right now, and as you can see, she's also doing the Optical Illusions project. So I'm in here as a student, so I'm going to click View Assignment. And then you'll see an option here on the right-hand corner that says Add or Create. So you're going to click Add or Create, choose Slides, and now it's added a set of blank slides that you can make your 5 slides for your Optical Illusions project. Don't forget to turn in what you have by Friday so I can see the progress that you made. Have a great week, everybody.